In the last video, I told you about the types of fraction, and now we will be starting with the smaller and greater or equal fractions. In this, how we have to do if the denominators are same. If the denominators are same and the numerators are different, then the bigger numerator will be the bigger fraction. So here you can see that 12 upon 17 and 15 upon 17 are there. The denominators are same here and the numerators are different. So the bigger numerator will be the bigger fraction. And the second case we will see that 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 9 are there. The numerators are same here and here the denominators are different. And in such cases, if the smaller denominator will be the bigger fraction. So 5 upon 6 will be your bigger fraction. Whereas in this, the third case, when the denominators and the numerators are both of them are different, then we have to make the fractions equivalent fraction. Here we have 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. Now we have to multiply 2 upon 3 with such a number that it can be a equivalent fraction. 2 upon 5, 2 into 5, 3 into 5, and we will get 12 upon 15. Whereas in 3 upon 5, 3 into 3, 5 into 3, that is equal to 9 upon 15. Now we can see that the denominators of both the fractions are same, 10 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. In such case, we will see that the 10 numerator is bigger. So 10 upon 15 fraction is bigger. That means 2 upon 3 is bigger than 3 upon 5. The next question, we have the reduce to the lowest term. We will reduce the fraction if it should be divided by the same number, both numerator and denominator. If they are not divided, then we will just write the fraction like the same fraction we will write. And in the second case, 18 upon 24, we can reduce the fraction. We have reduced the fraction 18 upon 24 by the 2. 2 nines are 18 and 2 12s are 24. This 9 upon 12, again we have reduced it by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Now 3 upon 4 has come and now we cannot reduce the fraction. Next question, compare the following. In comparing the following is the same, that smaller and greater. Here 1 whole 2 upon 3 and 1 whole 2 upon 5. First we will make it a improper fraction. We got 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3, and here 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2, that is 7 upon 5. But now we will make it a equivalent fraction. We have to make both the denominators same. Now 5 into 5 we will multiply by 5. 5 into 5 and 3 into 5. Now 25 upon 15, one fraction is. Then another is 7 into 3 and 5 into 3, that is 21 upon 15. Now, one correction is 25 upon 15 and another is 21 upon 15. That means 1 whole 2 upon 3 is greater than 1 whole 2 upon 5, and that will be your answer. Now comes arranging in the descending order, and this is 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Now you see all the denominators and all the numerators are different from each other. Now in such case, we have to take out the LCM of all the denominators. Now we have taken out the LCM and we have got 60 as a LCM. Now what we are going to do, we have to multiply the denominators with such a number, denominators and numerators with such a number that we get 60 as a denominator. Now 2 will be multiplied by 30 and so that we can get 60. Similarly, if we have to make the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply both the numerators and denominators by 30. 1 into 30 and 2 into 30. In the second fraction also we have done like this. 2.3 is multiplied by 20 and 20. 2 into 20, 3 into 20. The denominator is 60 here, 40.60. Then the third fraction, 2.5 is multiplied by 12. And 2 into 12, 5 into 12, we will get 24 upon 60. Lastly, 3.4 we have multiplied by 15, so that we can get 45 upon 60. Now we have got like this. In the descending order, we will first write the biggest fraction. So 45 upon 60 is the 3.4 fraction. So we have written 3.4 first, then 2.3, that is 40.60, then half 1 upon 2, that is 30.60, here 1 upon 2, then the lastly we will write 2.5. In the same way we will write the ascending order. If we have to write the ascending order, then 2.5 will come first, then 1 upon 2, 2.3, and then the 3.4. With this exercise is over, and we will be going to the next exercise, that is exercise 3B. And this exercise is very simple. We have to do the addition and subtraction of the fractions in this. Now, let me tell you some questions regarding to the addition of the fractions. Exercise 3B, that is add. Now in this we have the first question, 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. Here in such a case, if the denominators are same, the LCM will be 3 only. And we have to add the numerators, and we will get 3 upon 3, and we will cut it 3 ones are 3 ones are, and we will get the 1 as a answer. Whereas in the second case, if we have this is 3 whole 2.5 plus 2 whole 1 upon 5. Now we have the mixed fraction. First we will make it into a improper fraction. 5 is 15, 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5 plus 5 to 10, 11 upon 5. Now here the LCM will be 5 and 17 plus 11. And we will get 28 upon 5. Now we can just make it into a whole number. 28 will be divided by 5. 5 5 is 25. And we will get 3 here. And your answer will be 5 whole 3 upon 5. And this will be your answer. Like this we will do the addition of it. And next question will be change to like fractions and then add. First we will make the fractions. We will be having the fractions whose denominators are different. First we will make it into a like fraction and then we will add it. The first one is 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. Change into like fractions. Into like fractions and add. This is your next question. Now we have the different denominators here. First we have to make it a like fraction by multiplying it with such a number that both the denominators comes the same. Like here 2 into 7 and 5 into 7. You will get 14 upon 35. And the next one is 3 upon 7 into 5 into 5. Here you will get 15 upon 35. Now the fractions are like fractions. Now we will add it. You will get the 35 here and 14 plus 15. And it is 29 upon 35. This will be your answer. Like this we have to make it. Then the next question will be the mixed fractions into the like fractions. We have to change the mixed fractions into the improper fractions first, and then after making it into improper fractions, we have to make it into a like fraction. 2, 3, 6, 7 upon 2 plus 8, 9, 10, 11 upon 4. Now we have to make it into a like fraction. So 7 into 4 and 2 into 4 first fraction. That this will be 28 upon 8, and the next one is 11 into 2 upon 4 into 2. That is 22 upon 8. Now we have got the fractions like this, and we will make LCM 8, and we will add both the numerators, 28 plus 22. Now we will get 8 to 10 and 450 upon 8. Now you can just divide it and make it into a whole number. 8 5 46 are 48, and we will get 2. And this will be 6 whole 2 upon 8 answer. Now the next question will be from the subtraction. Subtract. In the subtract 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Here you see both the denominators are same. Again the LCM will be same, and we will subtract 3 minus 2, and then we will get 1 upon 5 as the answer. It is very simple. Then the next question is converting the like fractions and subtract. Convert into like fractions and subtract. Convert into like fraction and subtract. Now here 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. This we have to make it into a like fraction first. That is 1 upon 2 into 4 into 4. That is equal to 4 upon 8 first. And the next one is 1 into 2 upon 4 into 2. That is 2 upon 8. Now we have got these two, and we will take out the LCM. Is 8. This is 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 upon 8. We can reduce the fraction. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. That is equal to 1 upon 4 will be your answer. Then the next one is again subtract, and we will be doing this question in the next video. Thank you.